In this lecture, we are going to discuss the De Morgan's laws for quantifiers. As we know, there are two De Morgan's laws. Here also we have two De Morgan's laws for quantifiers. First De Morgan's law for quantifiers is negation of the for every x p of x is logically equivalent to there exists x negation of p of x. There exists x negation of p of x. That is, negation of this universal quantifier is uh, logically equivalent to uh, the existential quantifier of this negation of p of x. Okay. Second, De Morgan's law for quantifiers is negation of there exists x p of x is logically equivalent to for every x negation of p of x. Okay. That is, by using De Morgan's law for quantifiers, we can negate when we negate the universal quantifier. When we negate the universal quantifier for every x, it becomes the existential quantifier there exists x. That is, negation of for every x p of x is logically equivalent to there exists x negation of p of x. Okay, and second one is negation of there exists x p of x is logically equivalent to for every x negation of p of x. That means when we negate the existential quantifier, it becomes the universal quantifier. Okay. Now we can discuss some examples. Negate the proposition negate the proposition for every x square is equal to x, where universe of discourses set of integers set of integers. So we have to negate this proposition. We are given that universe of discourses set of integers. Okay, so we need to negate this proposition. That is, we need to find what is this negation of for every x square is equal to x. Okay, so by De Morgan's law, we have this is logically equivalent to exists x negation of this negation of x square is equal to x. Okay, now we know negation of x square is equal to x is nothing but x square is not equal to x. So this is logically equivalent to there exists x square is not equal to x. So this will be the negation of this. For every x square is equal to x is negated to there exists x square is not equal to x. That is, ഇതിൽ പറയുന്നത് എല്ലാ എക്സിനും ഫോർ എവരി എക്സ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ട്രൂ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു എക്സ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ നെഗേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ദർ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് സം എക്സ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ട്രൂ. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ദർ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് സം എക്സ് such that x square is not equal to x. Now example 2, negate the proposition there exists x mod x is equal to x. There exists x mod x is equal to x. Here also we are using the universe of discourses set of integers, and we have to negate this proposition. Okay, so negating this proposition we can use the De Morgan's law here also. So by De Morgan's law we have the negation of there exists x mod x is equal to x is nothing but it is logically equivalent to this is actually we can find an x such that mod x is equal to x. Okay, there exists an x such that there exists an integer such that mod x is equal to x. So we have to negate this. By De Morgan's law, it is nothing but for every x, negation of this mod x is equal to x. Okay, this is by De Morgan's law. Okay, so this is logically equivalent to, we know, for every x, negation of this is nothing but mod x is not equal to x. So this will be the negation of given proposition. That means this is given that for any x it is not true, that is mod x is not equal to x. Okay, that is the negation of this proposition. This proposition was, there exists some integer such that uh, its modulus is equal to itself. Okay, but it is not true. Negation is nothing but for any integer x this is not true, that means mod x is not equal to x. Okay, next question, negate each quantified propositions. So we have four propositions, we have to negate it. Okay, so first one is, every computer is a 16-bit machine. Every computer is a 16-bit machine. So what will be the negation of this proposition? Okay, so the negation of this proposition will be, some computers are not a 16-bit machine. Here our proposition is every computer is a 16-bit machine. അതായത് എല്ലാ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറും 16-ബിറ്റ് മെഷീൻ ആണെന്നാണ് നമ്മുടെ പ്രൊപ്പോസിഷൻ. അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ നെഗേഷൻ വരുമ്പോൾ ചില കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ എങ്കിലും എന്തുണ്ടാവും, 16-ബിറ്റ് മെഷീൻ അല്ല എന്നുണ്ടാവും. അതായിരിക്കും ഇതിന്റെ നെഗേഷൻ വരിക. സോ സം കമ്പ്യൂട്ടേഴ്സ് ആർ നോട്ട് 16-bit മെഷീൻ. ഓക്കെ, so the negation is some computers are not 16-bit machines. Clear? So these are the this is the negation of the first proposition. Second proposition is some girls are blondes. Some girls are blondes എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് നെഗേഷൻ എന്ത് വരും, ചില ഗേൾസ് ബ്ലോണ്ട്സ് ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ നെഗേഷൻ വരുന്നത് ഒരു ഗേളും എന്തല്ല ബ്ലോണ്ട് അല്ല എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. സോ നോ ഗേൾസ് ആർ ബ്ലോണ്ട്സ്. ദി നെഗേഷൻ ഈസ് നത്തിങ് ബട്ട് നോ ഗേൾസ് ആർ blondes. Okay, then third one, all chalkboards are black. So the negation will be, right, some chalkboards are not black. Clear? And fourth one is, no person has green eyes. No person has green eyes. So what will be the negation of this proposition? No person has green eyes. So some person have green eyes. Some persons have green eyes. Okay, or some persons have green eyes. That will be the negation of that proposition. Okay, now you can try these problems yourself. Okay, thank you.